topic. Okay, and kindly click subscribe if you have your time. Thank you. Alright, so when you say substance related disorders, these are the disorders of intoxication, dependence, abuse, and substance withdrawal caused by various substances, both legal and illegal. Okay, so what are the inclusion of these substances that I am talking about? You have alcohol, amphetamines, caffeine, inhalants, nicotine, and even some prescription medication could also be abuse. Okay, they might be opioids, marijuana, cocaine, hallucinogens, and PCP or phencylidyne. Now, when you say substance dependence, this is the continuous usage of the substance. Even the person might have an experience of substance-related problems, and there might be some cravings that they need to take more and more. Okay, so once that you have took this kind of substances, okay, there might be an increase of dopamine level in the body. And when you have this increase of dopamine level, you're gonna feel this kind of euphoria or feeling that you're in the cloud nine. Okay, that's the reason why you keep on craving for this kind of feeling while you're taking this kind of substances. Okay. Um, on the other hand, we have the phenomenon called tolerance. Okay, so the dependent user also experience withdrawal symptoms when the substance is not used. Okay, so what are the withdrawal symptoms? There are actually variation, but some common symptoms might include increased heart rate, shaking, insomnia, fatigue, and irritability. So this feeling of being very uncomfortable while you are not using the substance lead you to crave more and more of those kind of substances. Okay, so what is substance abuse? Okay, if the person continue to use the substance despite this kind of problems that has been encountered, okay, the user could not gotten dependent on the substance. Okay, so those who abuse this kind of substances may experience some legal problems and even in fulfilling their responsibilities as a person, as a parent, as an employee, in taking care of children, of their children. Okay, so these are the people who abuse those kind of substances. Okay, so we have here intoxication. So when you say intoxication, this is the direct effect of the substance after an individual has used or has been exposed to the substance. Okay, so there are different kinds of effects in intoxication. So it might include impaired judgment, emotional instability, increase or decrease in appetite, or change in sleep patterns. Alright, so we have different classifications of drugs and their effects on our central nervous system. Okay, the first one we're going to discuss is about depressants, and then stimulants, and then hallucinogens. Okay, so I'm going to discuss all of this on the next slides.